Jai Hind children, good morning to all, and I hope your paper were excellent for you and my good wishes for you. Now children, we are going to read chapter number 6 in computer forms in HTML. Children, in last chapter we have read the HTML basic tags, how to apply the tags in HTML using Notepad, and how to run the file, how to save the files. So all are we have read in previous chapter. Now children, in 6th chapter we are going to read to create a form and how to programming a form in HTML form using Notepad. So let's start forms in HTML. It's very interesting chapters again for you, and I hope you will take interest in this. Children, forms in HTML are used for creating an interactive web pages using which you can collect required information from the user. For example, during the user registrations, you need information like name, contacts, addresses, phone numbers, like that. A form can take a required input from the user and can store it in the backend server. Okay, a form can contain special elements like input box, check box, radio and option button, submit button, etc. Children, HTML provides various tags for creating such elements on the web pages form. So let's learn how to make the use of these tags. Children, have you seen the form? Absolutely, your answer will be yes, because all the revision test and half yearly test and 10 marks and 20 marks test we have successfully completed in form, and teachers send to you form, and you attempt the test on form and multi-choice like short answer. You fill the informations at home and then click the submit button, and this particular form you send to teachers, and teachers can easily check your responses, your answers at your computer and other devices like mobile, laptop, phones, like that. So how to do this? Because your all information saved on form server, and the data will be collected from the server, and teachers can collect the data from servers whatever you filled at home. So like that's how to do this. We are going to apply the tags in HTML. The form tag. So first we will read form tag. This tag is used to create or define the form. This is container tag. Container tags means this tags is on, here is on, then by slash we can off these tags, means this on tag then off tag. These are container tag which enclose all form elements. We have already read about container tag and empty tags. Now next one is form elements can be input elements like a text box, check box, option button, submit button, like this. It means in form tags we can use the text box, check box, option button, submit button, like that. Now next tags will come and the input tag. It is very important. The input tag, this is one of the most important form tag which is used for getting the information from elements. The various attributes are there for input tags like type tag, name tag, value tag, size, maximum length. Type, describe the type of input like text, radio and submit. Means if you want to apply on form text, so you can take the text. If you want to radio button like checkbox and radio button, so you can apply the type tag. Name can be used to specify the name of input controls, name of input control. Okay, value can be used to set default value of input value. Suppose what is the value of this particular text what the users will input in the form. Size, specify the data width of character, and maximum length, specify the maximum data in the length. Okay, suppose you want to type the name of persons, so how many characters will be there, so you can define by the size and maximum length in the form. Okay, now next one is now children in page number 80. Now we are going to creating a text control. Text control is used to enter data in the form of letters, numbers, etc. This is important for you. In the form of, to create a text control on a form for taking single line input, you use text value of type attribute. So how to do this? So for this we have to open the notepad. I have already create the for you the text control. First you will write HTML head tag, title text, the name of registration form. If you want to give the other name, so you can. Then body tag. Now this is starting, this is the basic structure. Body tag is start. Then this form text, because we are going to create a form, this is form tag. And now this is form tag is a registration form. Okay, registration form. This registration form, because in page number 80 we are going to make this particular form. This output you can see from your book. Registration form, it will be middle of the page. Now this the name of candidate, first name of candidate. So we will read, we need to read name of candidate like this. Now I'm going to apply input type text. Why we using text? Because name of candidate, when the user attempt this particular form, so they can be fill in the text form like name of candidates. So candidates will fill by your name. Okay, so this needs to text. Now the name is a attribute, another attribute of input text. So I give the name in double quotes. This is very important to assign in double quotes. And size is 15. You can change the size like 10, 15, means 15 character like that. Now this is next is a father's name. You want to enter father's name also as well as the name of candidate. Input type same as text name, and this time father's name attributes I will provide f name, father's name. Now size also we will take same as a candidate name. Then body tag off, because body tag here is on, then we needs to off the body tag, then HTML. Now time to save. Now save. Okay, this is save. Registration 1, give the name, we needs to give the name like registration 1 and .html. You know children, .html is necessary to save the file. Now clear that. Click the web browser like Google form, then Control O to open your file. Now here registration one is available, then open. So you will see this registration form will be appear. You can see that registration form and name of candidate is in linear form. So this is wrong for the form. So how can we do it? Come on, the coding form on Notepad. Here registration form here and name of the candidate. So we have to use BR tag. BR tag means line break tag. Is a empty text, so no need to close it by the slash mark, no need. So BR tag, and I want to give double BR tags. So double BR tags, this it will be take 2 lines space after registration form. Clear? Then here is input tags this. Now father's name already we have put BR tag like that. Now we need to save this, then open again, then refresh it. So you will see that registration form, name of the candidate and father's name. Now if you want to assign the H1 tag on registration form, H1 is a highest font size in HTML. So because this is a container tag, so we need to close it like that. So how to change? Save, then look at, no need H1 because H1 is not here. Now look at save, then refresh. Now look at this, the registration form will be appear this form. Okay, clear? Now this was creating text control. So if you have a computer, so you can do the practice at home. Clear? Now bye bye.